Are you ready to dive into the future of 3D printing? 2025 is bringing some incredible innovations in 3D printers that are changing the game. Whether you're a hobbyist, a professional designer, or a business owner, I've got the ultimate list of the best 3D printers you need to know about. So, let's check out the top picks of 2025 that'll blow your mind. Number 5. Creality K1. The ingenuity and accuracy of 3D printing are demonstrated by the Creality Cone. Strong functionality, a wide range of applications, and excellent print quality are all combined in the Creality Cone. It is designed to provide experts, producers, and artists more power. You may let your imagination run wild with the broad build volume of the Creality Cone. The K1 provides enough space for your projects, whether you're creating useful components, experimenting with art, or prototyping. The high-resolution capabilities of the K1 allow you to get stunning detail in your prints. Your 3D printing will be of the finest caliber thanks to the accurate rendering of delicate textures and intricate patterns. The strong frame architecture of the Creality K1 offers durability and stability throughout the printing process. This guarantees reliable and consistent results throughout time. The K1 offers a silent and inconspicuous printing experience thanks to its silent stepper motor drivers. Whether printing at home or in a professional setting, use the intuitive touchscreen interface to swiftly navigate through your printing options. The K1 makes printing easier and more approachable for both new and seasoned users. The K1's auto bed leveling feature makes it possible to attain the best possible first layer adhesion. By ensuring a uniform and smooth printing surface, this reduces the need for human corrections and raises the success rate of prints. Try out various filaments and materials. The K1 can accommodate a broad range. With the Cone, you have more possibilities for your 3D printing creations than ever before, ranging from standard PLA to flexible TPU and more. The Resume Print feature on the K1 will give you peace of mind. To reduce print failures, the printer can resume from the last recorded position in the event of an unexpected interruption or power outage. Enjoy the convenience of remote printing with the Cone. You can monitor and manage your prints remotely with a variety of connectivity options, providing flexibility and user-friendliness. Number 4. Bambu Lab A1 Mini. For those seeking portability and accuracy, amateurs, hobbyists, and professionals can consider the Bambu Lab A1 Mini, a compact yet powerful 3D printer. Because of its small size, the A1 Mini is a perfect option for people who have limited space. This feature-rich printer is designed to maintain easy-to-use functionality while producing prints of outstanding quality. Its compact design doesn't compromise performance, so you can still enjoy high-quality 3D printing without taking up extra room. The high-resolution printing capabilities of the A1 Mini allow you to see fine details and smooth surfaces. Whether you're printing useful parts, intricate models, or prototypes, this printer produces accuracy with each layer. The A1 Mini's user-friendly interface makes 3D printing more efficient. The printer's user-friendly controls and straightforward setup allow even inexperienced users to operate it with ease. Because of its sturdy construction and enhanced stability during printing, the A1 Mini is made to last. Print after print, this guarantees trustworthy and consistent results. With the range of filament materials that the A1 Mini supports, you can try out numerous options for your creation. Change the printer to suit your specific printing needs, whether it is flexible TPU or standard PLA. With the A1 Mini, you may enjoy a quiet printing environment. You may focus on your job without being distracted by background noise thanks to its quiet operation. You can save time and work by using the auto bed leveling feature of the A1 Mini. You may get outstanding bed adhesion and print uniformity with wireless connectivity options, eliminating the need for manual adjustments. With the A1 Mini, you can monitor and manage your prints from a distance, which gives you greater flexibility in your workflow. Emphasize the print speed and maximum print volume capacity of the printer. For users who wish to optimize their workflow and produce larger prints, this information is essential. Number 3. Creality Ender 3v3 SA. One example of a low-cost, high-performing 3D printer is the Creality Ender 3v3 SE. This 3D printer offers exceptional accuracy, versatility, and user-friendliness, making it suitable for novices as well as experienced users. With a high printing volume, you may unleash your creativity and realize your most ambitious ideas. There is plenty space on the Ender 3 V3SA to print a wide range of designs. Stability and longevity are increased by the strong frame structure and V-slot profile. Bid farewell to loud 3D printing sessions. Silent stepper motor drivers are a feature of the Ender 3 V3SA that lower noise levels and offer a quieter printing experience without compromising functionality. Power outages won't ever again cause your prints to be disrupted. The resume printing feature ensures that your projects are successfully completed by allowing the printer to continue where it left off. It is easy to remove finished prints thanks to the build surface's flexibility and detachable nature. This invention facilitates not only the removal of prints, but also the leveling and maintenance of beds. For those who are unfamiliar with 3D printing, the Ender 3 V3SA is a fantastic option because it is simple to assemble. You'll quickly print your masterpieces if you follow the detailed instructions. Smoother and more consistent prints are produced by the better extrusion and filament control offered by the updated Houghton and Bowden extruder. Customizing your printing experience is made simple with the easy-to-use touchscreen interface, which offers intuitive control over the printer's settings. A 3D printing marvel, the Creality Ender 3 V3SE offers enthusiasts and experts alike an unmatched blend of accuracy, stability, and cost. This feature-rich 3D printer allows you to explore a world of limitless creativity. The carborundum glass bed of the Ender 3 V3SE is renowned for its exceptional adhesive qualities and rapid heating capabilities. Bid farewell to distorted prints and welcome to a reliable, superior printing surface. Number 2. Anycubic Photon Mono M5S. We are delighted with Anycubic's newest resin 3D printer because it has autobed leveling, fast speed, and amazing resolution. Indeed, the x-axis has 11,530 pixels. Anycubic claims that its average print speed of 105 mm/hour is 3 times faster than that of ordinary printers. During testing, the machine produced a 3.5-inch tall figure in roughly an hour. It's the first self-leveling resin printer we've seen, and it uses a combination of hidden springs and sensors to determine its own level. This is a really great feature, as anyone who has ever set up a resin printer with just an Allen key and some paper knows. Anycubic has developed a new ultra-thin, high-speed resin to go along with this printer. Amazingly fast, prints can be achieved even with standard resin because of the special release film attached to the vat's bottom. The film will only last roughly 30,000 layers, not as long as regular FEP due to its fragility. Considering that my rocket test print contains 1,742 layers, 6 testing cycles may have consumed up to 1/3 of the film's usable capacity. The newly released film, according to Anycubic, will retail for $42 and come pre-mounted on a frame that is simple to assemble. If you were to switch back to less expensive films, printing would need to happen more slowly and at a less frantic pace. The Photon Mono M5S is a resin printer that is mid-sized and comes in the usual Anycubic color scheme of black and gold. The base has distinct lines, and the hood is formed like a prism. It feels sturdy and substantial, and features a beautiful metal vat with many rails on the Z for smooth movement. With numerous automated functions to assist you, the M5S printer is a smart one. In addition to the self-leveling print bed, it can monitor the amount of resin in the vat and whether a print fail has occurred. It counts the number of models and layers printed as well as does a hardware check when you turn it on. It is especially helpful to track the amount of wear and tear on the plastic release film on the bottom of the vat if you know how many layers you have printed. A revolutionary AFC release film and incredibly thin high-speed resin are the keys to its speed. Number 1. Sovol SV7. The Sovol SV7 is a state-of-the-art 3D printer that offers incredible printing experiences by fusing user-friendly features with precise engineering. With its potent capabilities, this printer designed for both enthusiasts and pros aims to expand the boundaries of creation. Due to its massive build volume, the Sovol SV7 can produce large, intricate 3D prints. The SVV7's large build area can support a variety of printing needs, be it for creative endeavors, functional part creation, or prototyping. Better print quality and more filament control are offered by direct drive extrusion technology. This design is suitable for a variety of filament types, including flexible materials, because it enables more accurate and consistent filament feeding. Bid farewell to problems with manually leveling beds. An auto-leveling bed included into the SV7 guarantees a consistently level printing surface for every project. In addition to assuring ideal print adherence, this saves time and effort. To easily navigate through your printing settings, use the user-friendly touchscreen interface. You can effortlessly manage prints and track progress with the user-friendly controls, which provide a smooth and enjoyable experience. Printing is made quieter by the silent stepper motor drivers of the SV7. This invention is an excellent option for usage at home or in the workplace because it reduces operational noise without sacrificing precision. The accuracy and stability of printing are enhanced by the dual Z-axis architecture,